Chris, thank you for joining us today.
Very welcome, Scott.
Chris, tell me a little bit more about the asset that you have.
So we have a 13.8% share in Mount Marion, which is the world's second largest hard rock deposit operation. So this year it'll produce 450,000 tonnes of lithium concentrates.
The lithium is a key metal that a lot of people are talking about at the moment. Give us your view on it.
Lithium in terms of the value in the battery is about 5%. For EVs, which is really the story. I mean, the lithium story is that there's more batteries and the format's getting larger. So the battery accounts for about 20 to 30% of the value of the car. So the lithium in the car is sort of 1 to 1.5% of the car. So, I would say, we've brought Mount Marion into production this year. It's about 20% of world supply, and the prices have continued to go up, so that would show some inelasticity there. Lithium is really unsubstitutable in a lot of these batteries, and bringing in new supply is harder and takes more time than people recognise.
So from your perspective, what are the next stages for you over the next 6 to 12 months?
So for us, it's about transitioning from a lithium producer, a concentrate producer, into a hydroxide producer. So for us, it's advancing our downstream processing plans. Basically what we're doing is vendor test work now, and then we'll move into a feed study next year. Hope to make a decision on a plant about this time next year. 2-year construction. We've got offtake rights from Mount Marion. So basically we want to transition from being in the higher cost, notwithstanding we are making really, really good margins. We are still in the wrong end of the cost curve, but to move down into the lower end of the cost curve, producing lithium hydroxide, which is what the battery makers want.
So what's the purpose of being at one-to-one mining in London today?
So look, we have, London is typically 10% of our shareholder base, so it's catching up with a lot of our investors and meeting some new ones.
Superb. Well, thanks for your time today.
No worries, thanks.